Hello, this is Blair, JBJ Outdoors. Well, it's the opening day of my trophy elk hunt, and as you can probably see, it's raining quite a bit, and I'm hunkered down under I split a garbage bag in half and hunkered down with my bow and my backpack and stuff under here. Maybe I can get so you can see stuff. Backpack over here. But so I'm out of the rain. On the way up, I had a hawk that he didn't like me being in his area, and he kept flying over and darting in the trees and making all kinds of noise. Followed me for probably half a block. Come on to a bunch of a hen turkey with probably 8 young ones, and then a doe with 2 fawns that was walking down the trail, didn't know I was there. But I'm set up on my spot, hoping something comes in besides rain and thunder and lightning. It's really been an enjoyable day. It seems like anytime we go hunting, it's either in the snow or rain. But you guys know my favorite time of year is fall. I used to spend a lot of time with my father going hunting, especially when the leaves are changing. He's been gone since '78, but I still miss him and the things he taught me. And I hope I've been a good example for my own sons and children. After all, what do you have when you get older besides memories? And hopefully your family will have good memories of you. Well, I guess I'll turn the camera and let you see some of what we got out here. So, hope you all have a good day, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you.